Hey everyone, I want to show you how I made my DIY dollar store cucumber trellis. So I just got the bamboo sticks. These ones are pretty tall. I just put them up this end, almost like an A. And these go into the pot down here. And then I just got these from the dollar store too. It's on a roll. It's like wire, rubber coated wire. And then I joined two of them together with these little zip ties, also from the dollar store. And then we got the netting. Because cucumbers have tendrils and they like to grow up. So this netting works excellent. You can see right in here how it twists around it. So as they continue growing, they'll just keep getting taller. This was maybe $10. Yeah, maybe $10 to make it. But I've got extra left over. So over here, I did this one for our tomatoes, the indeterminate tomatoes, the ones that they'll keep growing. And these are Brandywine, but you can see down here, just put the poles, the bamboo, right in the pot. Just make sure your pot's deep enough. Cross them like that. And this here, the top one, you could twist it in, but I didn't. It just lays right in there. And then as your tomatoes grow, and may eventually, you could also imagine, get some twine or some jute to tie up your tomatoes. There's a foam covered wire from the dollar store. It's not fancy, but it works. It's definitely affordable. And down here, our first cucumbers. Should pick that before it gets too big. And this one, there's another cucumber. Pick that too. Oh, something's eating it. Oh no. If I could do one thing differently, I think I would just add another one in the middle, another support in the middle. Because they may get heavy. But I don't have any more long ones, so I'll leave it for now and see how it goes. Well, there it is, guys. Really easy, affordable way to make a cucumber trellis or a tomato trellis. Have a great day. Bye.